It's your girl EVENSYAXO coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing another wig review for you. So today I'm going to be reviewing Amazon hair from the company called DAENERYS hair, like Daenerys Game of Thrones. Yes, I went ahead and got a 360 lace front wig and 20 amazing inches of body wave hair. So yes, I am that kind of girl. I like length now. I am that chick. You're not gonna see me wearing hair that's less than 20 inches now, okay? Because it makes me feel beautiful. It makes me feel luxurious. It makes me feel like that chick. All right, so this is 20 inches of Brazilian body wave hair, 360 lace wig. So you got lace going from the front to the back, and then there's tracks in the middle of that. So it's gonna be really easy to put your hair in a ponytail and all of that jazz. So the hair came in this nice little box right here. Actual hair came packaged in a separate bag, as well as a nice little rewards card letting you know that if you leave a review on Amazon, you'll get $5 back, and all these little details about the hair and how to take care of it. It also came with 2 elastic bands that you can, you know, use to style your hair and put it in a ponytail if you guys want. And a nice little treat that it came with that I was surprised is these adjustable straps. Now these straps look so freaking cool, and they're pretty awesome because they're like a Velcro. I want to say it's Velcro, or it looks like one of those bra straps that you have. It looks like a bra strap, like the one that you attach in the back. And they actually put it inside the wig, so the wig has like these 2 hook things, attachments that you can use the straps on to make it tighter and fit and snug on your head, so you don't necessarily have to use glue. Now I am very cautious when it comes to things like that, but I think it's a great idea, a great addition to the whole wig construction. So the wig construction on this is A1. You get tons of lace parting space. You also get a nice little pre-plucked hairline to work with, so definitely a big plus on this wig. One thing I have to say that I was a bit shocked was the price. If wigs were these prices when I was in college, girl, I would be buying out everything. Now the cost of 20-inch body wave hair from DAENERYS is $116. Yes, $116 or like $115, a little under. That is crazy. That is unheard of. 20 inches of body wave 360 lace wig for $116? Where are you getting this? Like, what is going on? Why is it so affordable? Now I will do like my wear test, and I will let you guys know how it's feeling, what's going on with this hair in my description box below, because I like to keep you guys updated, okay? Like weeks from now, is the hair still good? I will tell you. I will let you know. So just let me know, like comment if you're seeing this 2 or 3 weeks later, is the hair still good? I will let you know if it's still holding up and whatnot. Now so far, I'll show you guys how long it is on me. Okay, so it's pretty long. It's really long, and I love it. And I love the fact that I can curl this hair, and I can go a whole shift at work without it, you know, dying out and just frizzing out and leaving me, okay? But yeah, I really like this hair. Now, I didn't bleach the knots on this unit. I feel like I have to though, because the knots are pretty visible. Though I did try to do a really good job with plucking it as much as I could, and like, you know, covering it up with some powder. It still needs a lot more work, so I'm definitely going to bleach the knots later on, okay? A little. But I felt like I didn't need it because I was gonna have, you know, I was putting bangs on this unit. So yeah, that's why it doesn't have bleach knots, because you're really not gonna see it. And everyone at work really loved this hair. Like, it's so cute. Like, I feel like a nice little, I don't know, like I feel like I'm a part of the cast of Saved by the Bell, you know? Yeah. I love it. I love this wig. I love this wig so much. Now, some things to note: the hair does shed. Not gonna lie to you guys, this hair does shed, but it's not like a ridiculous amount of shedding. it's manageable. And I feel like with shedding, since this is a 360 lace wig, I feel like that kind of benefits to make the hair look less bulky along the way. As long as it doesn't keep on shedding, like it just keeps on, you know, shedding and whatnot, I think it'll be all good. I feel like this is just because it's been packaged up for so long that it's shedding now. So yeah, I freaking like this hair. I hope you guys do too. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, right down here in the comment section. And I will also leave a link to this hair in the description box as well, and with my, you know, thoughts if you're seeing this 2 weeks into the future, 3 weeks or whatnot. I'll have a little something down there for you, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah. Oh yeah, if you guys would like a short tutorial on how I got the bangs and styled this hair, I will definitely do that in the future. I just wasn't sure if you guys were interested in that or not, you know? Because it's like pretty easy. But if you guys do, just let me know. Okay, bye.